Welcome back to Review Revolt. Today, we're diving into something that's going to completely transform the look and feel of your mechanical keyboard. The Capkeyno PBT keycaps with a stunning manga-inspired design. If you're a fan of anime or just love a bold, artistic aesthetic on your desk, this set might just be what you've been waiting for. Right off the bat, what stands out about these keycaps is their eye-catching 3D comic-style design. Each keycap is adorned with detailed dye sublimation printing on all 5 sides, giving it a vibrant, dynamic look that really pops. This technique not only makes the graphics sharp and colorful but also ensures the design doesn't fade or wear off with regular use. The result is a keycap set that stays looking fresh and bold for a long time. The set includes 141 keys, which makes it incredibly versatile. Whether you have a 60%, 75%, 80%, or a full 100% mechanical keyboard, these keycaps will fit perfectly. They're compatible with most popular switches including Cherry MX, Gateron, and Kyle, so you won't have to worry about compatibility with your current keyboard. Material-wise, these keycaps are made from PBT plastic, known for its durability and resistance to shine over time. The matte finish on these keycaps adds to that premium feel, making them smooth to the touch but still grippy enough for comfortable typing or gaming sessions. If you spend hours at your keyboard, these keycaps can definitely hold up to the wear and tear. Another cool feature is their suitability for backlit keyboards. The dye sublimation method lets the legend stay clear and visible even with lighting underneath, which is a nice plus for those who love RGB or any kind of backlighting on their mechanical keyboards. Beyond functionality, the Capkeyno keycaps bring a unique vibe to your setup. They transform your keyboard into a storytelling centerpiece, perfect for anime enthusiasts or anyone looking to add a bit of personality and flair. The detailed art style mimics that classic manga comic aesthetic, which really stands out compared to the usual plain or single-color keycap sets on the market. In terms of sizing and packaging, the keycaps come in a compact box measuring just over 12 by 6 inches and weigh a little over half a pound. So they're easy to store or transport if you're into keyboard customization on the go. One thing to note, currently these keycaps are listed with Bluetooth connectivity as a compatible technology, which might refer to the keyboards they're designed to fit, rather than the keycaps themselves being wireless, which makes sense since keycaps are physical components. If you want to upgrade your mechanical keyboard with something that not only looks fantastic but is built to last, the Capkeyno manga-style PBT keycaps are a solid choice. They offer premium durability, vibrant and lasting artwork, and broad compatibility across keyboard sizes and switch types. Plus, they inject a lot of personality into your desk setup, making every typing or gaming session a little more fun. That wraps up our review of the Capkeyno anime keycaps. If you're interested in turning your mechanical keyboard into a real work of art, this set is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Review Revolt, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more awesome gear reviews like this one. See you next time.